Pam started coming to the General Assembly in 1996 as a concerned church member seeking to overturn the prohibition on the ordination of LGBTQ persons. She was an elder in her congregation, Old First Presbyterian Church in San Francisco, and she was the chair of the Evangelism Committee. So Pam recognized that the PCUSA's exclusionary policies and the attitudes behind them were not only harmful to lesbian, gay, and bisexual individuals, but were also making it difficult to reach out to their neighborhood with an authentic welcome. I was volunteering with previously existing organizations on changing the church's policies. And when the Covenant Network of Presbyterians was founded in 1997, and Pam left her job as an executive in a publishing firm to become its executive director, we began to collaborate extensively. In 2000, the Covenant Network hired me to join her on staff as national organizer. Pam was the one who kept us, staff, and a very active hands-on board of directors on track and moving forward.